What's good, my people? It's me, Sea of Soul Search, back with another one. I got something very, very special. Sorry this video is late. I've been hella busy, and this is what I picked up, as you can tell, from Supreme on the last drop. I'm really excited about this. The first time, that's not the first time, but the first time in a couple of seasons I got in the top 5 numbers. I was number two, and I managed to secure the item. I just had it taped up for storage, not storage, but until I did the video, I had it sitting in the bag. I have a dog. I didn't want the dog chewing up the box or probably pissing on the box. Ah, God. Gobo G. Ugh. That box is hefty. All right. So what we got here is the Akai MPC Live 2. All right. The standalone music production center. Let's get a little, yeah, right there. Oh yeah. All right, Ableton link, rechargeable battery, built-in monitors, CV gate outputs. All right. As you know, Akai is a brand that's been around for quite a long time. All right. There are people from Kanye to up-and-coming producers, or just people who like to do beats at live shows, rocking on MPCs. It's your standard drum kit or your drum synthesizer or drum pad, input, output, whatever the case, device all in one. Back in the time of old, where you would see like these videos of producers in the studios with like keyboards, record players, mixing setups, just a whole bunch of devices or machines to do different jobs to hear songs as one piece or one full project. Years of advancement brought this to us. You can do all of that all in one machine itself. All right. Supreme branded box, co-branded box. Akai MPC Live 2. There's the Live 1, which is a bit smaller. The Live 1 doesn't have the actual speaker output on the actual device. You actually have to plug in monitors, and I don't believe it used a screen. So like a lot of controllers you see, you usually have to plug into a laptop and everything is displayed on the laptop. This thing right here, you could just plug in and go. Has a built-in monitor, so which eliminates the need to have a computer or a screen or a display to view what you're doing. Rechargeable battery. This is something that's crazy, because a lot of music controllers have to remain on power, whether it's plugged in to your computer or plugged into a wall. Also a controller for Mac or PC, so you can use it for both. This comes with its own software. You can use it with other software like Ableton Machine, Fruity Loops, all that kind of stuff. People still using Fruity Loops? I don't know. 7-inch multi-touch display. Oh, I gotta get higher. I'm just going over US. I guess depending on what country it's released in, there's different things corresponding to that country. All right, so what we have here, features: Akai MPC Live features standalone MPC, no computer required, built-in monitor, 7-inch resolution multi-touch display, 16-inch velocity, sensitive RGB pads, internal rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Also access a control surface for MPC software. Phono and line level inputs, 3 stereo outputs, 6 mono, 2 5-pin MIDI in, MIDI out, that's big. 2 gigabytes of RAM, that's dope. So it has onboard memory and 16 gigabytes of onboard storage, full-size SD card slot. That's cool. 2 USB 3.0 slots, so fast data transfer, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Ableton Link for cross-platform collaboration. All right. Yeah, this is a beast of a machine. So, this is definitely a beast of a machine. All right, we're going to get into this. I'm going to mess around with it first, because I'm not going to get up here and show you a video of me not knowing how to do it until I mess around with this. I've never messed around with this before. I've been used to using a machine. Funny thing is, I went in for a Akai back when I bought my machine maybe like 6 years ago, my MK2. I was going in for a Akai and the sales guy was like, let me show you this new thing. It's better than the MPC. But I always wanted an MPC because that's what my uncle was always making music on, and that's what I've watched him use a million times. I've seen like Kanye and a lot of like hip-hop art producers and beat makers using Akai like in live settings on the stage. So I'm pretty excited to get into this. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna actually open it up and go all into depth. I'm just gonna do it in a different setting. I don't have much space here to do that, so stay tuned.